So I'm inside Macy's. I'm at the Clinique counter, and I can no longer try on makeup, but I'm here with Moya, and she demonstrated to me. Show us our picture.
There we go.
This is what we use now. This is my makeup color, powder, a lip color that I would use. So very different. And eyeliner. I can't forget the eyeliner. So instead of trying on makeup like we typically would, we are now putting them. They're now putting them on these kind of sample pads that people can take home. Just some of the many changes inside Macy's. So now that states are reopening, big department stores are doing the same thing. But when you walk inside, it's going to look a little bit different. We're spending the day inside of a Macy's to show you what you can expect when you come back. For instance, when you walk up to the makeup counter, you're not going to be able to try them on as you did before. Instead, they're using these. They're actually taking makeup that would match your shade and doing the tutorial on a page that you can take with you rather than trying it on in stores. Just one of the many changes that they're making here in Macy's. Coming up on Nightly News, we're going to give you an exclusive look inside to show you what they're doing to keep customers safe and still maintain that department store experience. That's coming up tonight.